Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and immediately locating the recovery partition. Open Disk Management and note which volume shows as recovery and its size. Once done, launch an elevated command prompt and run diskpart to list disks and partitions so you know exact ID. Make sure to back up critical files and create a system image now. This prevents data loss during partition work. With ID and a backup in hand, you're ready to modify partitions safely. Next, repair or recreate the partition depending on what you found. If the recovery folder exists, assign a temporary drive letter and run reagent/enable. If that fails, rebuild the BCD. If files are missing, use diskpart to create a properly sized partition, format it NTFS or FAT32 depending on your system, and assign a letter. Then copy the recovery folder from installation media or use DISM to apply recovery WIM into the new partition so Windows recognizes it as a recovery environment. Finish by registering and testing the recovery environment. Use reagent/setrimage with the correct recovery folder path, then run reagent/enable to register it with Windows. Once set, remove any temporary drive letters and update the boot configuration to ensure cleanliness. If you see odd errors, run sfc/scano and DISM repair commands to fix corrupted system files. Finally, test by booting into Advanced Startup or triggering Win to confirm the recovery partition works as expected. If it does not, retry the copy and registration steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.